A method without using a PC, huh? An easy and quick process. What are you going to do to recover your cell phone? Okay, you're going to watch this step-by-step video tutorial so you can solve it too. Also, in the video description or in the first pinned comment, you will be able to find other methods different from this one. You will also be able to find a method via PC, which we will leave in the video description or the first comment so you can do it too. Also, for those people who find our video tutorials helpful, let us know. Leave a comment if it worked correctly for you, and if suddenly it didn't work for you, let us know which model it didn't work on. And if you followed the instructions exactly, you'll be able to solve it if you're from the people who are advancing the video. I recommend you undo it again and apply the entire process correctly. Let's connect to a Wi-Fi network. They know we also have a method via PC, as described in the video. Updated methods in the latest versions. Now we're going to get to where that screen lock appears as well, where we see what the Google account is, and also from there we'll be doing all those recoveries. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell, leaving a like and a comment so that others can also. You won't miss any of the video tutorials we'll always be making. Rising during the week. We'll wait here. Now we're going to click here where it says, Do not copy. We click where it says, Do not copy. Here we have the screen lock that asks us to use a Google account. Let's click here, which tells us to use a Google account. This would take us to this other section that we are going to do. Click here where it says, Forget Gmail, and write this here. We click Next. We write this here too. We're going to write this here. We're going to click Next. We're going to click Next. Next for 30 seconds. We'll do it for 30 seconds. We click Next, Next. And then for those 30 seconds. When those 30 seconds have passed, we will do the following. Pay close attention to this video tutorial. Okay, now we're going back. Go ahead. Don't worry if you get this error. We'll give you several solutions. Times here on this screen. You click back once, click back again, add new network. You're going to click here. Sometimes it doesn't appear, sometimes it does. You're going to click here on the voice dictator and click the little gear icon. Well, it seems they're letting us in there now. Then we click here and type the asterisk, hash, symbol. Numeral asterisk 1, 1, 2, 2 numeral asterisk. Sorry number asterisk, then asterisk number. Asterisk number 0808 number asterisk, then. Having done all this, then let's do the following. Press the power button and the volume down button at the same time, and what we're going to do is to provoke is a forced restart. We're going to force a restart. We're going to put pressure on him. Let's press those two buttons. If we don't click on restart, we perform a restart. Now we're going to wait for our phone to take us to the home screen. When it takes us to the start, we will be finalizing this process. Let us know in the comments if everything worked for you, what we've done so far, and if it hasn't worked for you. Tell us what model we have so we can help you and be able to solve this problem. One of the easiest and fastest ways would be without using a PC. Completely PC-free method. Now that we're going to go back to the beginning, let's return to where we see that screen lock, and where it appears is the Google account. From there, we will be doing all those recoveries. We'll wait here. Let's wait. We'll wait a few seconds. It's about to start. It's about to start. We're about to finish. We are now going to finalize this recovery process. Click here. We click Next. We click Next, Next. We'll click Next. We're going to click Next. Now we're going to reach the point where it appears again, where we have also indicated that screen lock lastly, where we see the Google account that we need right now. What we need now is the following. If you have any SIM cards entered into your phone, I recommend you remove them. Why? For this process to work correctly. Let's wait here. We'll wait a few seconds. You know how to remove any faceless person. We're going to click here. It says, "Do not copy." We click there. Now it takes us to this point where that appears. Block, and then where the Google account appears here. Now that we're at this point, what are we going to do now? Let's click. Let's click back here just once. And now what we're going to do is disconnect the Wi-Fi network. Let's disconnect that network. We unplug it and plug it back in. We unplug it. We click on Connect, and now what we are going to do is the following. You're going to click here where it says when it falls. We click here where it says, "Do not copy." Now this will appear. You're going to click on the back button. You're going to click back. You're going to click here. You're going to turn off the Wi-Fi network. You're going to click here on Skip. It will take you to Google Services. You click Accept. You click Next. You press Skip. You tell him no, and then he says, to enable and continue, we'll click Finish here. Let's wait here. This would take us directly to the beginning. Now that we're here at the start, I'd be fully recovered.